Alright guys, in today's video we're gonna be doing a motor flush. This is like a $7 bottle. In order for you to do this, make sure your engine is cold, and you're gonna do this before you do the oil change. All right, so you're gonna put this inside the engine oil. All right, you're gonna remove this little guy right here. All right, and let's put this to the side. Make sure, check your oil. All right, make sure your oil is up to level, because make sure it's not empty. All right, and you don't want to put too much either. I'm saying you don't want to overflow the engine oil either. So we'll take this little guy, we'll put this on, and make sure your engine is cold. You put this in, and then let the engine idle. Idle meaning start the car, leave it there, let it run for 5 minutes. After that, take it onto the lift it up, do the oil change, change the filter, and that's it. I'm not going to be showing you how to do the oil change on this car. This is a 2010 Toyota Camry, I believe. But anyways, this is good for any car, right? It says use before every oil change. Takes 5 minutes. It does take 5 minutes, but I don't recommend you using this on every oil change. Do it once a year, guys. As long as you use good oil, you should be all right, guys. All right, let's open this little guy. You're gonna have the seal over here. Break the seal, guys, and then make sure it doesn't fall in there, so you don't throw it in there, but it's just stuck to the side edges. But anyways, here comes the motor flush. Put this in. Pour the whole thing, all right, guys? Don't worry about it. Put the whole thing in there. Oh, I'm spilling it on the block because I have my hands are tight. I'm holding the camera and a light. All right, guys, there we have it. All right, I'll wipe this off. I'm gonna put the top on, and then I'm gonna let the car run. All right, that's how simple this is. So let me remove this little guy. Let me put this to the side somewhere, and then I'll wipe this off in a little bit. Don't worry about it. All right, guys, so all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go inside the car. I'm gonna start up the car, right? And then I'm gonna let the car idle for 5 minutes. All right, that's it, guys. I'm gonna let this thing run for good 5 minutes, and that's it. That's all, guys. If you need to flush, use this, guys. Don't use it often, not every oil change. Do it once a while, all right? 5 minutes later, shut the engine off, take it to the lift, do the oil change, and that's it. All right, guys, I got my car up in the lift, and got my bucket down here. I'm about to drain the oil. I got this is number 14 on the Camry. It's loose. I pre-loosened it. But let's take a look at, it's probably gonna come out like water. All right, let's see what it look like when it comes out. There it is. All right, it's dirty. All that dirt is coming out of there, and I can smell it. It smells like diesel. Yeah. All right, guys, so do this flush, guys. I would recommend it once or twice a year, but not every oil change. Long as you do synthetic oil, you shouldn't have to worry about it, because I have taken engines apart that had synthetic oil inside throughout the year that I did services on, and it was in pretty good condition. It looked nice and clean. All right, guys, and do change the oil filter, which is located right here. Right, get all the oil out, give it a good 10 15 20 minutes longer if you like. You know, if you do it on your driveway, just let it drain out really good, guys. All right, so thank you, subscribe, and bye guys, and we will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and share and like all of my videos.